Have you ever wondered what makes websites come alive? Like when you click a button and it instantly reacts? Or when a menu slides open smoothly? Or when animations move across the screen? It feels like magic, right? But it's not magic. It's JavaScript, the invisible power behind the web. Without JavaScript, the internet would be a silent, lifeless place. No clicks, no motion, no fun. But wait, what exactly is JavaScript? Why do developers call it the language of the web? And how is it secretly running behind almost every website you've ever used? Let's find out. Our story begins in 1995. Back then, the internet was slow, static, and boring. Websites couldn't react or move. They were just text and images. Then came a developer named Brendan Eich. He worked at a company called Netscape. He was given a crazy challenge: create a new programming language in just 10 days. And guess what? He did it. In just 10 days, JavaScript was born. But here's something funny. JavaScript has nothing to do with Java. The name was just a marketing trick. Java was famous back then, so Netscape named it JavaScript to get attention. And that's how the confusion began. So, what does JavaScript actually do? Think of a website like a human body. HTML is the skeleton. CSS is the style, the clothes, colors, and design. And JavaScript, it's the brain. It makes everything move. When you click a button and something happens, that's JavaScript. When you type your name and it autofills, that's JavaScript. When a video plays, a game loads, or a pop-up appears, that's JavaScript. It's the heartbeat of the internet. Now, you might wonder, how does it actually work? Every browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, has a built-in JavaScript engine. This engine reads and runs your JavaScript code instantly. In Chrome, that engine is called V8. It's super fast. And it's not just used in browsers anymore, it also powers Node.js, which lets JavaScript run on servers too. That means JavaScript escaped the browser. It became a full-stack language. You can build both the front end and back end with just one language. Sounds powerful, right? It really is. Think about this. You've already used JavaScript today. When you opened YouTube, when you scrolled Instagram, when you liked a post or sent a message, JavaScript made it all possible. Companies like Facebook, Netflix, Uber, and PayPal all run on JavaScript. With frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue, developers can now build super fast, beautiful, and interactive apps. From websites, to games, to real-time chat systems, all built with JavaScript. But what makes JavaScript so popular? It's simple, it's easy to start, and powerful to master. You can write your first hello world in just minutes, and then build anything from simple websites to advanced AI tools. JavaScript is literally everywhere, and it keeps getting better, because JavaScript is evolving every single year. With new updates like ECMA Script 6 and beyond, it's faster, smarter, and more capable than ever. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Over 98% of all websites use JavaScript today. Yes, you heard that right? 98%. That means every time you browse the internet, you're already running JavaScript behind the scenes. And it's not just for browsers anymore. With Node.js, developers can build entire servers. With React Native, they can build mobile apps. With Electron, they can create desktop software. One language, endless possibilities. You write JavaScript once, and it runs everywhere. Now imagine the future. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, blockchain, 3D web. JavaScript is growing into all of it. It's becoming the language that powers the entire digital world. So, what is JavaScript really? It's not just a programming language. It's the energy that makes the web come alive. It connects humans to machines. It turns static pages into living experiences. If you dream of becoming a developer, start with JavaScript. It's your gateway into the world of coding. Because once you understand JavaScript, you can build anything. Websites, apps, games, even AI tools. So the next time you click a button, scroll a page, or watch a video online, remember this: JavaScript is quietly making it all happen. If you enjoyed learning something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing tech stories, and share this video with your friends, because next time, we'll explore how JavaScript actually talks to HTML and CSS to create real-time web magic. Stay curious, stay coding, and I'll see you In the next video,